Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to change the color of your notes in Outlook on your PC using the latest update. Whether you want to organize your notes visually or simply add a splash of color, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to access your notes. Once you're on the main page, look for the menu icon at the top of the screen. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on it to expand the menu options. Next, locate the Notes section in the menu. Once you find it, you'll see 3 dots next to Notes. These dots represent additional options for managing your notes. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. Now, select the option labeled Change Color. This will allow you to customize the appearance of your notes. A palette of colors will appear for you to choose from. Pick the one that suits your style or helps with organization. Once you've chosen your preferred color, it will be applied instantly to your notes. This change makes it easier to differentiate between notes at a glance and adds a touch of personalization to your workspace. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the color of your notes in Outlook. Feel free to experiment with different colors and find what works best for you. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.